The COP, Conference of the Parties, is the main decision-making group of an international agreement called the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. In simple terms, it is like a big meeting where countries come together to discuss climate change. The job of the Conference of the Parties is to look at reports from different countries about their actions on climate change and the amount of harmful gases they release. Using this information, the COP checks how well these countries are doing in fighting climate change and how much progress they've made toward the goals of the climate agreement. The Conference of the Parties is a big meeting that happens every year unless the countries involved decide not to. The first COP meeting was held in Berlin, Germany in March 1995. Usually, the meeting takes place in Bonn, Germany, where the COP office is located. However, if a country volunteers to host the meeting, it can be held there instead. The leadership of the COP changes every year, moving between 5 regions of the world: Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Central and Eastern Europe, and Western Europe, and others. Often the location of the meeting also rotates between these regions.